What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to add text to your DaVinci Resolve project. So firstly, what you want to do after you edited your video to add text is to go in top left corner and you're going to click on effects. Here you will be on toolbox. You would want to scroll down till you see titles. Here, as you can see, we have lots of options to choose from for our text. We're going to go with a basic title, like so. What you want to do to add it to your timeline is to click on it, then you're going to drag it to the timeline. As you can see here, I added two texts. You can delete one of them, and you can increase or decrease the duration of your text. What you want to do to edit it is to click on it, to select it, then you're going to go in top right, and here as you can see we have the text which is shown in our timeline. So what we want to do to change it, we're going to select the text and we're going to replace it with whatever we want. So let's say for example nature. Also we can click on it and make it bigger, like so, and here you can personalize it by changing the font, color, or whatever you want to do. Also you can change the position from here, or you can click on it and drag it whatever you want. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.